Riwruok Gavanas e pacho ka okwedo wach mar deko chwalo omenda e kaontis ka giwacho ni deko go duoko chien dongruok mar kaontis. Ka giwuoyo e romo manobagi Naivasha, jakom mochung' ne weche mag omenda e riwruok Gavanas Fernandes Barasa dwaro ni mondo apis ma jaga bajet mondo mi orure gi pango bajet mar kelo yot e tich.
For us, we made a mistake of going 3 separate laws. We have to pass a DORA, finish. Then bring in a CARA, finish. Then bring in an additional allocation law, finish. And that's how we end up with the money being transferred to counties when the financial year is closing.
Just tell us the efficacy of these guys in the counties, the 47 COB coordinators in the counties. What is their role vis-a-vis the CFOs coming to Nairobi to chase those requests for purposes of timely